Hello AP Calculus students. So this is a limit technique called L'Hopital's rule. So your very first technique should be to try substitution. So in this case we get secant of 0 minus 0 minus 1, and we get e to the cosine 0 minus 2 times 0 minus e. And secant 0 is 1, and we get e to the cosine 0, which that is 1, so e to the first minus e, so we end up getting 0 divided by 0. So L'Hopital's rule is a technique we can use if we get an indeterminate form, such as 0 divided by 0 or positive or negative infinity divided by infinity. So in this case we do have a perfect candidate for L'Hopital's rule. So the original we start with, and then we take the same limiting value, so we have the limit as x goes to 0, and then we take the derivative of the top, which is going to be secant x tangent x minus 1, and we're going to divide that by e to the cosine x times negative sine x. That's going to be our chain rule, minus 2. So we take the derivative of the top, separate from, and then the derivative of the bottom. So this is not the quotient rule, this is L'Hopital's rule. All right, so then what we do is we're gonna try substitution again. So we plug in 0 for x. Okay, and then let's go ahead and simplify this. So secant 0 is 1, tangent of 0 is 0. So in the numerator, we get a grand total of negative 1. And then we have e to the cosine 0, which is e to the first, but then it's times sine 0, or negative sine 0, which is 0, so we get negative 2. So our answer to this is positive 1/2.